been, geez, over a month now waiting for this antenna, which finally came in. And I think I have this, and I will just add a little bit of solder to that joint. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. And today I finally got my parts in, as you can see, and we're going to do some modification to the SJRC F11 4K Pro, which is this drone here you see in my hands, the very popular F11. Now, as most of you already know, I can't get any further than say 300 meters before losing my video feed. It freezes solid. Sometimes it's at 100 meters. So I'm going to try and fix that issue today with these antenna mods. So stick around and hopefully you'll learn something. Peace. Okay guys, so we're going to start taking this thing apart. Now the first thing you have to do is remove the top cover here. And you want to get something skinny and under, like I use this razor blade, but something plastic like a very thin guitar pick would be better so you don't chip it. But I don't really have a really skinny one right now, so I've been using this to get inside of this transmitter the last couple of times I've taken it apart. Now I tried a different antenna last time I opened this, and it actually made the drone a lot worse than what it was in the first place. I near lost this drone at the quarry last time I took it out and tried that last antenna, and the drone got maybe 50, I'm going to say, yeah, probably about 50 meters out, and it lost connection. I had the drone probably maybe 60 meters high. Like I say, it lost connection, and it tried to land up on top of the mountain on the quarry, and I had to run to get close enough in range to the drone so that the transmitter would reconnect and I could take over the drone again instead of it landing. And just luckily I got within range. Well, as you can see, I still have the drone, so that's when I decided I'd order these parts, guys. So what I do have, I'll show you guys here. I have this 14 dBi. It's a patch antenna, 5.8G. I also have, these are 2.4 gigahertz, 5 dBi, and to use these I'm going to have to cut the tip off. And then I also have this dual 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. I may try this one inside of it first and then test it out, and if it doesn't work with that one, I'm going to go back to the 2 gigahertz one. But either way, we should be able to get a much better distance. Now, I'm not an electronics guy here, guys. I'm just learning as I go with this stuff, so I mean, I can solder and stuff, but I don't know a lot of things about electronics. Now my brother, on the other hand, he's the guy for this stuff. My brother is like smart as a whip with this stuff. And anything I don't know about it, I'll go ask him. But I didn't get his info on this stuff for this project. I've just been watching some other YouTube videos and seeing what other people are using to try and get a bit more distance out of their drone. Now, it's not that I want the distance, I just want better video feed. If I ever do take this drone out to use it and go to try and film with it, I would like to be able to see what I'm filming when I get 100 meters away and the drone fails on me. The video feed conks out. So as you guys can see, there's the real crappy antenna that it comes with. As you can see, there are none in here, none at all. It's this one here, and it sits right in the very top. So we're down this far, we take 4 more screws out and we can get this board up. I've got a nice little soldering iron here, guys. I bought off of Banggood. It was $9–10, something like that. And it actually has a temperature dial on it, so you can change the temperature. So it's pretty good for what I need it for. And right now, guys, we're just in the very beginning of a snowstorm. It started to snow and then it stopped, but I can't see that being the end of it. I think we're really going to get nailed here today. So now I'm down this far, I just peel the shielding up and we're at the antenna. So get that out of the way. Get that out of my way. A little bit of solder on there to get this to come off easier. And there we go. The old one is off. So what I do have to do here, guys, is cut the end off of this. And if this kit came with 2 of these, actually I'll cut it shorter than that. So it has to go through, and I'll take it down to about there, I guess. I just want to have enough length. There we go. That should be long enough. Okay, so I can put this back on, solder it back in place. Come on. Some solder. Like that. There we go. That's what I'm looking for right there. I believe I have it right, guys. So put that over, put it back together, and then we'll do the drone. video antenna in the drone. Now I might have to cut a little opening, a little drill hole in the side of the drone. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to mount that yet. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been, geez, over a month now waiting for this antenna, which finally came in, and I'm going to continue on with the F11 mod, the F11 4K Pro. So I'm just waiting now for my soldering iron to heaten up, but I'm going to show you guys what I have to do here. Sorry about camera work, guys. I'm holding this in my hand without a handle or anything. But yeah, okay, so just going to switch so I can see what I'm showing you. So this antenna, I ended up sticking it right on the crease. So opening the drone back up, I ended up tearing it just a little tiny bit, but I'm going to replace it anyway because of that tear, because I don't want to stick it back together and then have problems. But that one's just soldered right here where the tip of my finger is. You can see that little solder joint. And then the new one that I got there in the bag, that one just plugs in here on the board, guys, and it takes two of those. Those are 5G, and that's for your video signal. So they're easy to install, but you have to drill little tiny holes in your case. You guys can see there, you see that little hole? I put one of those on each side. So the one I have installed right now, there it is. That's your 5G antenna. And I'm not sure where I'm going to stick the second one, possibly on an arm. I'm thinking on an arm. I'll figure that out when I get to it here, guys, but right now that's it for the mod. You'll see earlier in the video I've already done the transmitter. So hopefully when I get this out for a test flight, I'll be able to get a lot further and hopefully not have any problems and lose the drone or something, guys. So I'll catch you guys back once my soldering iron's heated up here. Peace. Okay guys, I'm ready here. I just desoldered the old one. I'm not sure if I can give you the best of a view because of my camera angle here, but it's the only way I can set it up, guys, and have it on my tripod. But you can see right there, I've taken the old one off. I have a brand new one here, and I'm going to solder that one on. And then we will plug in the 5G one, and we're finished. We'll put it back together. So it's been a long time coming, waiting to do this mod. And I finally get it here. And this is going to be a little hard. Just to add a little bit of solder to that joint. Now it's hard to get at here, guys, because there are so many wires in this drone. And the damn thing is moving on me. Once I apply heat, it starts to move. Okay, that should be it. That seems nice and sturdy. Solid solder joint. Let's see. Make sure there are no breaks. Do here is prop this drone up, crack a piece of solder off, and just make sure that it's right before I move on any further here. Give me a piece of solder would be nice. There we go. Okay. So I just want to make sure this is right, guys. I don't want to rush it and slap it together and end up getting this thing in the air and having it fail. Wow, it just came off on me. That should be it. There we go. I hope. I'm not the greatest at soldering. That seems good. Yeah, I think that's okay there. So, moving on. Take our 5G antenna. So hopefully, guys, I'll be able to get that 800 meter mark that this drone says it will produce. I don't know why companies do that. Tell you that a drone will go so far and it doesn't. On its best day, all I could get was 300 meters out of this drone. Sorry if my head is in the way, guys. I'm just trying to plug this in now. I know you guys aren't getting the best of a view here, but I did point out where everything goes here. And this part isn't hard anyway. It's anybody can do this part, guys. This is just plug and play this antenna. And I tell you guys, it was awful hard to get the old one off of there because of this tight little spot to work in. It's very hard to get the other one off. But just be patient, you'll eventually get it. Patience is something I don't have a lot of. There's nothing wrong with the tip. I'm just not getting it on there right. And I think I have it. I think I got it, guys. Yeah, it's not moving now, so pretty sure it's on there. Seems to be. So now I'll slap this drone back together, guys, and we'll take it somewhere for a test flight and see how far of a distance I can get with video feed before losing it. Peace. So there you have it, guys. There's a finished product. So we have one 5.8G on the very back, and these are stuck on with sticky tape. They have a sticky back on them that you peel off. There's a 2.5G. You can see that stuck to the back. That feeds in through the vents in the back here. That's the one that's soldered, and these two are the ones that plug in. So as you can see, I can still fold the drone. The only thing is you have this little cable in the way, but it's still foldable, guys. Still folds up fine, still portable, carryable. Doesn't harm anything, nothing's in the way, as you can see. You just have these two little cables to deal with, which doesn't bother me much. See that? So that's it, and as I said, we'll go test it. Peace. Well guys, that's it. You seen the drone, and I can't actually go test it today. It's just too windy out, but we'll certainly do that in the next video. So until then, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like, leave us a comment. Make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss our videos. And until the next time, catch you later. Peace.